Today I am going to show you a very easy buttercream icing recipe. First we need to beat butter around 5 minutes until it becomes light color. For this icing, our butter should be at room temperature. Now add vanilla and few drops of food coloring from any color you like. Then add half of the icing sugar into this and beat. After that, add rest of the icing sugar and milk. We can use this buttercream icing to decorate any kind of cake. Next time I am going to make a delicious Valentine cake with this buttercream icing. To get that video, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.